to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet C10 short box. Just a killer truck, guys. Love the color combination. It's a PPG color. We do have the paint code. Matter of fact, we do have some touch-up paint for it too. It's called Dover White Pearl. Beautiful color. I love the red inset there, and then they've done the same red inset in the interior with a saddle seat and carpet. Love the color combination. I apologize, you're gonna see we haven't even wiped this thing off yet, guys. Got it in, and I'm gonna do the best. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be out of town here a little bit, so we've got some cars coming in, some stuff here that needs to be advertised. I'm just gonna try to get it done as quick as possibly, guys. But great truck, 2,600 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. And just nice. I mean, this is just a quality build. Truck runs and drives excellent. Just a really good truck. And again, love the color, love the paint. I mean, just a great truck. There's a little mark there in the paint. That might wipe off though, guys. Again, it's not the guy's fault. I'm rushing him. I'm trying to get some stuff shot before I take off. So, again, that'll come right off. It's just a little mark. A really nice truck. Dual chrome mirrors. This is a rare big back window truck. This is my favorite body style. I love these trucks. 64 through 66, I think, is the best looking trucks. I just love them. Good, solid, straight. Again, that's going to come off. There's just a little, we just pulled it out and shot it. Got another Camaro we're getting ready to shoot. Try to shoot another truck again today. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Truck sits good. I mean, someone's just getting a little sweetheart, man. This truck is a little baby doll. 16-inch chrome torque thrust Americans all the way around it. If you want me to nitpick something, I think this truck deserves a really nice set of billet specialties, but that's not what the guy built it with. 16s all the way around it. Yeah, you see that? That'll come right off. We just a 5.3 LS based engine. It's got the Holley Sniper fuel injection, Edelbrock cold air kit on it, custom valve covers. It's vintage AC, 4L60 automatic overdrive trans, power steering. It's got Hydroboost front disc brakes on it, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Just a great truck. Does have power steering. And a really cool color. I mean, it's definitely white, but it's got a little hint of gray in it. It's really a cool color. Very modern looking color is actually what I'd say. You see them using a lot of this on the newer vehicles. Again, they'll come right off. It's just a little wax. Door seams are nice and clean. Love how they did this. New carpet. They put the shoulder harness belts in there. Love the seat. I mean, it looks like it's got zero wear on it. Chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the Dakota VHX cluster in it. A Lokar shifter custom center console. Complete custom sound system. It's got the kick pad speakers. I have new floor mats on the way for it. That's paperwork on the build of the truck. It is Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a 12-bolt rear axle in it. Again, really nicely done. Custom oak wood bed. It has a custom fuel tank in it. Nice underneath. Really like this interior. I mean, it just looks good when you walk up. It's got a great look to it. Again, love this seat. Very nicely done. Got the R134. That's just a great truck. I wouldn't be afraid to jump in this thing and go anywhere. It's just that kind of build. Older man had it, built it, and you can tell this quality build, man. I really love this truck.
That's making lemonade out of lemon.
$26.91. All your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes really nice, and the doors click shut. Great sound. Like you say, man, you want a nice truck. I mean, I put this on here too. I'm sure we can get that off if you don't want it on there, but I thought it was pretty cool.
You could come to, that can be dangerous.
Yeah, and that's all the paperwork for the resto. Everything just works great. Electric wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. And again, I'm gonna do the best I can to try to get some stuff advertised before I go. And really just a good truck.